Welcome back to part 3. And for our last part of this important file, PHP 7, we are gonna cover up a return keyword. Let's comment this out. The return keyword is possible to execute, and return statements are inside an important file. This can stop the execution and return to the script that called the file import. So we can say return statement are inside an important file. It stops the execution and returns to the script that the file import is called. For example, our file import can be my import.php, right? Don't forget your beginning PHP tags and just write return and single quote and say OK. That's how you use it. Okay, that's for our return. Next, let's move on to another keyword called AutoLoad. Underscore AutoLoad. Okay, so this AutoLoad keyword is basically it's good for large web applications. The number of includes that is required in every script that may be substantial, that this can be avoided by defining an AutoLoad function. So AutoLoad function is a function that is automatically invoked when an undefined class or interface is used to try to load what is being defined. It takes one params or parameters, which is the name of the class or interface that PHP is trying to look for. So let's write the definitions. So AutoLoad function is automatically invoked when an undefined class or interface is used to try to load what is being defined. What is the definition? It takes one params or parameters, which is the name of the class or interface that PHP is trying to look for. So, example. So, we are creating a function. We say function auto load, and we say we create a variable and we say class name. Open curly brackets, close curly brackets, and into our function we want to include our file and then end our tags as in PHP. So we are using the include keyword and we are calling out our variable, which is class name, which is this, into our function, and we use the scope dot, and we are closing it off with our php.php file. Basically, this just includes and gets our class's name, which will be something, let's say my import, right? And you guys don't have to put .php at the end. Basically, you just write dot and then single quotes and you add the .php afterwards. And then you close the curly brackets, and after the closing curly brackets, you can attempt and auto include myClass.php or my import.php. So what you do is we create a object initialize. Basically, we can say variable O or variable object or variable object. So let's stick to obj, and we say new. Let's say my class or my import, and close it. What this will do, this will automatically include the my import.php. Alright guys, I hope you guys understand this part, the AutoLoad function. If you guys having any problems, just leave a comment below and I will try to help you guys. And thank you for watching. Please like, please subscribe for more videos, and I will see you guys on to the next video.